Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Fisker. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay tuned so you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 29, 2023, our system has ranked Fisker as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.32. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite experiencing some natural fluctuations, the stock currently shows no significant change, with a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -78% change expected in the next 3 months. This means the return could fall between -100% and -78%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -41.76% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return ranging from -61.89% to 92.09%. In other words, the price could range from $0.667 to $3.36 after 12 months. In our latest update on Fisker, we have the headline, High Volatility in Fisker Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $1.75. On the last trading day, Friday, December 29, 2023, the Fisker stock price experienced a gain of 15.89%, rising from $1.51 to $1.75. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 19.75%, reaching a low of $1.62 and a high of $1.94. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 12.9% gain in the stock price, with a continuous pattern of ups and downs. The trading volume also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 120 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 138 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $241.58 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $8.67, while the lowest was $1.35. Currently, the price is 79.8% lower than the 52-week high, at $6.92, and 94.52% lower than the all-time high on March 2, 2021, when it reached $31.96. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave FSR a grade of hold with a corresponding action of hold. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Raymond James gave FSR a grade of market perform with a corresponding action of hold. On Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA gave FSR a grade of sell with a corresponding action of upgrade. On Wednesday, November 30, 2022, Evercore ISI gave FSR a grade of outperform with a corresponding action of initialize. On Tuesday, November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave FSR a grade of equal weight with a corresponding action of hold. Analysts have provided a general assessment of Fisker stock, giving it a neutral rating. They consider the PE ratio as a strong indicator for a buy recommendation, and the price-to-book ratio also suggests a buy rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a different perspective and give the stock a sell rating. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for Fisker. Let's start with the good news. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 24.11%. This indicates that there is a potential for further rise until a new top pivot has been found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, which is a positive technical signal. The volume of trading is also increasing along with the price, further supporting the positive outlook. However, it's important to consider some negative signals that have been issued as well. These signals may have some influence on the near short-term development of the stock. While the stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average actually holds a general sell signal. This means that the overall forecast for the stock is more negative. The long-term average, currently at $2, will act as a resistance if the stock continues to gain. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average, currently at $1.50. If the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will give another buy signal. However, if it falls below the short-term average, it will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal to sell. It's important to keep an eye on these levels to gauge the future direction of the stock. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it's showing a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was detected 17 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal occurred 77 days ago. Short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 56 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, it signaled a sell 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 45 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker. Fisker has found support from accumulated volume at $1.73. This is an important level to watch because it could present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Moving on to the risk involved, Fisker has average movements during the day, which means it's not too volatile. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This suggests that there is a reasonable level of stability in the stock. Taking a closer look at recent price movements, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $0.320 between its high and low points. This represents a percentage change of 19.75%. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.55%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock price has been fluctuating recently. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Fisker, let's first discuss some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistent negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.200. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Fisker. If Fisker experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $1.83. If you're not currently invested in this stock, it might be wise to wait until it surpasses this level before entering a position. On the other hand, if you already own shares, this resistance level could be an opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's consider the downside. Fisker's first support level is at $1.73. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in the stock price. Fisker's average rating from multiple analysts is considered neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Buting Florist purchased 160,183 shares of Class A common stock. On November 6, 2023, Buting Flores made another insider purchase, this time buying 0 shares. On October 6, 2023, Gruel Wendy J. bought 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. Mark E. Hickson also conducted an insider purchase on October 6, 2023, acquiring 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. William R. McDermott joined the insider purchases on October 6, 2023, buying 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -9.964. In total, insiders have purchased 2,722,151 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $1.68, which is a decrease of 3.95%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which means it carries a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 16 days ago. Is Fisker stock a good buy? While Fisker holds several positive signals, we don't believe these are enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we suggest considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares while waiting for further development. Our analysis conclusion has been upgraded from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. When trading resumes on Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate Fisker to open up at $1.77, a $0.0200 increase from the previous day. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Seeking guidance from a financial advisor is strongly recommended before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial to note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Comment below and share your valuable insights. We're curious to know your target for this stock as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading, and have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.